Hi, I am Srishal Anjaya. In this video, I am explaining about exercise 2.4, ninth class mathematics, polynomials and factorization chapter. So, first bit, determine determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 as a factor. X plus 1 as a factor. First one, x cube minus x square minus x plus 1. Let us take P of x equal to x cube minus x square minus x plus 1. Next, so here factor x plus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 1. Substitute this value in this equation. P of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole cube minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 whole cube minus 1 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 1. Next minus into minus plus 1 plus 1 equal to minus 1 minus into plus minus minus into plus minus. So minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Here also minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Or otherwise we can write minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. Answer is here 0. Next one. So what is the question? So here determine which of the following polynomials are x plus 1 as a factor. Here p of minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. Factor of given polynomial. Factor of given polynomial. So next one, question number 2. X power 4 minus x cube plus x square plus minus x plus 1. So let p of x equal to x power 4 minus x cube plus x square minus x plus 1. So here x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1. This minus 1 substitute in this equation. P of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole power 4 minus of minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 whole power 4 means here plus 1 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Next one minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 into plus 1 plus 1. So minus of minus minus 1 whole cube means minus 1. So plus of minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus minus into minus plus 1 plus into plus 1. Here minus into minus plus 1. Here also plus 1. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So plus 5. F of minus 1 equal to, therefore P of minus 1 equal to 5. So therefore x plus 1 is a x plus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial. Is not a factor of given polynomial. So factor of given polynomial is not a factor of given polynomial. So these are the two problems. Next one, question number 3 and 4. Question number 3, x power 4 plus 2x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 1. Next one, here x power 4, sorry, fourth one. Fourth one, x cube minus x square minus of 3 minus root 3 into x plus root 3. So here p of x equal to x power 4 plus 2x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 1. So x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. So substitute this value in this equation. P of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole power 4 plus 2 into minus 1 whole cube plus 2 into minus 1 whole square plus of minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 whole power 4 means here plus 1. So plus 2 into minus 1 whole cube plus 1. Sorry, minus 1 whole cube minus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 whole square plus 1 plus of minus 1 plus 1. 1 plus into minus minus 2 plus 2 minus into plus minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Here plus 2 minus 2 it cancelled. So answer is plus 1. So P of minus 1, P of minus 1 equal to plus 1. P of minus 1 equal to plus 1. Therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial. Is not a factor of given polynomial. So next one, fourth one. So here P of x equal to x cube minus x square minus of 3 minus root 3 into x plus root 3. So x plus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 1. So P of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole cube minus of minus 1 whole square minus of 3 minus root 3 into minus 1 plus root 3. So minus 1 whole cube means here minus 1 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 1. Next minus into minus minus 1 into minus here plus 1. So here plus into 3 plus 3 plus into sorry plus into plus into plus 3 plus 3. Here plus minus into first of all right here. So minus into minus plus 3 minus root 3 plus root 3. So minus 1 here minus 1 plus into 3 plus into plus 3 plus 3 plus into minus minus root 3 plus root 3 plus root 3 minus root 3 get cancelled. So minus 2 plus 3 equal to plus 1. So P of minus 1 equal to plus 1. Therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial. These are the four problems. That first bit. Next one. Bit number 2. Bit number 2. Use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is factor of f of x in each of the following cases. So first one, f of x equal to 5x cube 5x cube plus x square minus 5x minus 1. Next one, g of x equal to x plus 1. So use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is factor of f of x in each of the following. So g of x equal to x plus 1, g of x equal to 0. So x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. So f of x equal to a 5x cube plus x square minus 5x plus minus 5x minus 1. So substitute this value. F of minus 1 equal to 5 into minus 1 whole cube plus of minus 1 whole square minus 5 into minus 1 minus 1. So minus 5 into minus 1 whole cube minus 1 plus minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus into minus plus 5. 5 ones are 5 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So minus 5 plus 5. Here also minus 5 plus 5 get cancelled. F of minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, g of x is a factor of g of x is a factor of f of x. G of x is a factor of f of x. G of x is a factor of f of x. G of x is a factor of f of x. Next one, second one, f of x equal to x cube plus 3x square, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. G of x equal to x plus 1. G of x equal to x plus 1. So g of x equal to 0. So x plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to minus 1. So x equal to minus 1. Substitute this value in this f of x. So minus 1 equal f of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 whole cube minus 1 whole cube minus 1. So plus 3 of minus 1 whole square plus 1 plus into minus 3 1s are 3 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 3 minus 3 plus 1. So plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled, minus 1 plus 1 also get cancelled, 0. F of minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, g of x is a factor of f of x. G of x is a factor of f of x. Next one, question number 3. Question number 3. So f of x equal to x cube f of x equal to x cube minus 4x square plus x. F of x equal to x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. Next, g of x equal to x minus 2. G of x equal to x minus 2. Next one, fourth one, f of x equal to x square 3x cube. F of x equal to 3x cube minus plus x square minus 20x plus 12. Next, g of x equal to 3x minus 2. G of x equal to 3x minus 2. So f of x here g of x equal to 0, x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2. So f of 2 equal to 2 whole cube, f of 2 equal to 2 whole cube minus 4 into 2 whole square plus 2 plus 6. So 2 whole cube 8 minus 4 into 2 square value 4 plus 2 plus 6. So 8 minus 4 4 is 16 plus 2 plus 6. So 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 6 16 plus 16, here minus 16 get cancelled. So therefore f of 2 equal to 0. F of 2 equal to 0. Therefore g of x is a factor of g of x is a factor of f of x. Factor of f of x. So factor of f of x. Next one here, g of x equal to 0. So 3x minus 2 equal to 0. 3x equal to 2. X equal to 2 by 3. Okay, substitute this value in this f of x. So 2 power 2, sorry, f of 2 by 3 equal to 3 into 2 by 3 whole cube plus 2 by 3 whole square minus 20 into 2 by 3 plus 12. 3 into 2 by 3 whole cube means 8 by 27. 8 by 27. 2 cube value 8. 3 cube value 27 plus 2 by 3 whole square 4 by 9. Next minus 22 the 40 by 3 plus 12 by 1 plus 12 by 1. Next one. So 3 8 the 24 by 27 my plus 4 by 9 minus 40 by 3 plus 12 by 1. So LCM, take LCM of denominator, LCM of 27, 9, 3, 1 is 27. So here 24 plus multiply with 3, 9 multiply with 3, 27. So 3 4 the 12. Next one here 9 40 the 9 4 the 36. So 360. Next one 27 into 12. Multiply with 27. Here denominator 1 only. So 27 12 the. So 324 plus 324 by 27 equal to by 27. So minus 324 here 24 348 348 plus 12 360. So 360 minus 360 by 27 equal to 0. So therefore f of 3 by 2 is, sorry, 2 by 3 is, f of 2 by 3 is 0. Therefore, g of x is a, g of x is a factor of, g of x is a factor of f of x. G of x is a factor of f of x. Next one, question number 5. Question number 5. So f of x equal to, f of x equal to 4x cube, f of x equal to 4x cube plus 20x square plus 33x plus 18. Next one, g of x equal to, g of x equal to 2x plus 3, g of x equal to 2x plus 3. So g of x equal to 2 by 2x, sorry, g of x equal to 0. So 2x plus 3 equal to 0. 2x equal to, 2x equal to after transposing plus 3 minus 3, x equal to minus 3 by 2. X equal to minus 3 by 2. So f of minus 3 by 2 equal to 4 into minus 3 by 2 whole square, sorry, whole cube plus 20 into minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 33 into minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 18. 4 into 4 into minus 3 by 2 whole cube. So minus 3 minus 27 by 8. So plus into, sorry, plus 20 into 3 minus 3 whole square. So plus 9 by 4 plus into minus 99 by 2 plus 18 by 1. Here 4 ones are 4 twos are. Next one 4 fives are 4 ones are. So minus 27 by 2 plus 5 nines are 45 by 1 plus minus 99 by 2 plus 18 by 1. So take LCM of denominator. LCM of 2 comma 1 comma 2 comma 1 is 2 only. So minus 27 here 1 multiply with 2. So 2 ones are 2, 45 twos are 90 minus 99 plus 18, 1 into 1 multiply with 2. So 2 18s are 36 by 2. So 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 36 plus 126 plus 90 plus 36 plus 126. Here also 99 minus 99 27 minus 126 by 2. So 0. So f of minus 2 3 by 2 equal to 0. Therefore g of x is, g of x is a factor of f of x. G of x is a factor of f of x. These are the 5 problems in that bit number 2. Next one, bit number 3. Bit number 3. Show that x minus 2 comma x plus 3 and x minus 4, x minus 4 are factors of x cube, are factors of x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. So let us take f of x equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. So show that x minus 2 is a factor of given polynomial. So x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2. So substitute this value. So f of 2 equal to 2 cube minus 3 into 2 whole square minus 10 into 2 plus 24. So 2 cube 8, 2 square value 4, 4 3s are 12, minus 2 into 10 minus 20 plus 24. So here 24 plus 8, 32 plus 20 plus minus 20 minus 12 minus 32. So f of 2 equal to 0. So therefore x plus x minus 2 is a factor of x minus 2 is a factor of given polynomial. Factor of given polynomial. Next one, check it this one, x plus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 3. So f of minus 3 equal to x cube. X cube means here minus 3 whole cube minus 3x square minus 3 into minus 3 whole square minus 10 into minus 3 plus 24. So minus 3 whole cube minus 27 minus 3 of minus 3 whole square minus 3 whole square plus 9 minus of minus plus 10 3 is 30 plus 24. So minus 27 minus 3 nines are 27 plus 30 plus 24. So minus 54 plus 54 plus 54 minus 54 get cancelled. F of minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 3 is a factor of given polynomial. Is a factor of given polynomial. Next one. So x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x equal to 4. So f of 4 equal to x cube. So 4 whole cube minus 3 into 4 whole square minus of 10, 4 minus 10 into 4 plus 24. So 4 cube value 64. 4 4 the 16, 16 4 the 64 minus 3 of 4 4 the 16 minus into plus minus into plus plus sorry minus into plus minus 4 10 the 40 plus 24. So 64 16 3 the 48 minus 40 plus 24. So here minus 48 minus 40 minus 68 minus 88 minus 88. Here my plus 24 plus 64 plus 88. So plus 88 minus 88 get cancelled. Therefore, here f of 4 is f of 4 equal to 0. So therefore, g of x is a factor of f of x. Factor of f of x. G of x is a factor of f of x. Okay. This is the third bit. Next one, fourth bit. Next fourth bit. So show that x plus 4, show that x plus 4, comma, x minus 3 and x minus 3 and x minus 7 are the factors of x cube minus 6x square minus 19x plus 84 minus 19x plus 84. So here let us take p of x equal to x cube minus 6x square minus 19x plus 84. So x plus 4 is equal to 0, x equal to minus 4. So p of minus 4 equal to 4 whole cube minus 1. Minus 4 whole cube minus 6 of minus 4 whole square minus 19 of minus 1 plus 84. So minus 4 whole cube minus 64 minus 6 of minus 4 whole square 16. So minus into minus plus 19 plus 84. So minus 64, 16, 6 are 96 minus 96. So plus 19 plus 84 plus 19 plus 84. So here minus 64 minus 96, 150 minus 160 plus minus 160 plus 84, 84 plus 19, 84 plus 19, 103. So minus 160 plus 103, 50, 57, minus 57. So FT of minus 4 equal to minus 57. Therefore, x minus x plus 4 is not a x plus 4 is not a factor of given polynomial. Is not a factor of given polynomial. So next one, x minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to plus 3. So P of plus 3 equal to, so 3 whole cube minus 6 into 3 whole square minus 19 into 3 plus 84. So 3 whole cube 27 minus 6 into 3 square value 9. So minus 19 3 is 57 plus into minus minus. So 19 3 is 57 plus 84. So 27 6 9 is 54 minus 54 minus 57 plus 84 plus 84 plus 84 plus 84 plus 27 triple 1. Next one minus minus 54 minus 57 minus triple 1. So these two are get cancelled. So P of 3 equal to 0. Therefore x minus 3 is a factor of given polynomial. Given polynomial x minus 3 is a factor of given polynomial. Next one x minus 7 equal to 0. X equal to 7. So substitute this value. P of 3, P of 7. P of 7 equal to 7 whole cube minus 6 into 7 whole square minus 19 into 7 plus 84. So 7 whole cube 343 minus 6 into 49 minus 17 9 minus 17 9 minus 17 9 133 plus 84. Next one 343 49 into 6, 649 649 294 minus 294 minus 133 plus 84 plus 84 plus 343 plus 84 plus 343 427 427 sorry 427. Here also 394 133 394 133. Here 527 343 plus 84 427. Here 527 527. So answer is here 100 minus 100. So therefore g of x minus 7 is not a factor of given polynomial. Factor of given polynomial is not a factor of given polynomial. Fourth one. Next one 7 cube 343. 7 square value 49. 49 6 are 294. Here 7 9 are 63 133. Next one 84. 84 plus 343 427. 294 minus 2 minus 294 minus 133 300 sorry 294 plus 133, 427, sorry, 427 minus 427 is equal to 0, plus 427 minus 427 is equal to 0. So x minus 7 is a factor of given polynomial. Given polynomial is a factor of given polynomial. So next one, question number 5. Question number 5. If both x minus 2 and x 1 x minus 1 by 2, x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are